All right. Good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening. Want to do something a little fun here. Just making this R&B track on my iPad or my iOS device. So I'm using the app, the Korg Gadget, and just want to take a little time to show y'all how I make beats on my iPad. So I started already. I started with a few things as you can see. Um, Wait a minute. This is one of the instruments that I'm using in the Korg Gadget 2 app called a Marcelli. It's just like a little keyboard with different instruments in it, like guitars and general MIDI stuff. So I use that. All right, that's my clubhouse thing going on. So don't pay no attention to that, y'all. All right, so let's go back. And here are some other ones. I'm using a Rhodes, a drum machine, another little synth that has like these pluck sounds or bell sounds or pads. Pretty cool. Just based off the synthesizer, the Moog, called it Dublin. That's what I'm doing my bass on. This is a sampler. And another synth right here. Okay. All right, so let's start with this. I just want to explain something. When I do production, like this instrument right here is a guitar, and I'm gonna play it. Let's play the intro of it. Again, with this instrument, the guitar, if you notice, I tried to play it like a real guitar with strumming. Um, I didn't play it like I was playing the guitar on the keyboard, like you play the keyboard and all the notes are played at the same time in unison. But that doesn't happen with a guitar. A guitar, it strums. As you can see in the MIDI data information, let me get here. You can see how they're offset. Okay, let me go here. Wait a minute. And then you can see here, that's the root note here, and then the second and the third note, how it follows behind. Same way here, you can look at, if you see here, the root note is at the bottom, and then it's moved over a little bit from the next one, and the third it moves over, and the fourth one it moves over. And I did that with all the notes because you don't play a guitar like you play a piano. You play that different, so you want to make it as realistic as possible. So I try to have those things in mind and think about those things when I'm doing while I'm recording these instruments to give it that live feel. So I made an intro, a verse, chorus, second verse, and then chorus again. I'm steady building the arrangement. It's simple, easy little thing, but this is another form or another format that I make my beats on. Only thing I don't like much, I mean, it sounds good coming out, but it's not like the MPC. With the MPC, it just sounds good when those drums just come out and hit. I don't know why. Maybe it's the A to D conversion or the D to A conversion that's coming out. But obviously, with the iPad, it sounds good, but not as good as what I heard coming out other devices. But it works, so that's why I would import it inside my main DAW and run it through analog gear just to live it up a little bit so it'll be so cold. All right, so I'll just play the sequence and let y'all check it out. But this is how I do my production on the iPad. So let's play it and check it out. Again, that's the intro. So let me take it off loop and just restart it again. All right, so that's what I have so far, but obviously it's going to be more than just that. So be looking out for the final mix, like I always do. At the end of this tutorial, I'll put the song and show y'all after I finish with it from the mix to show you the before and after. So I just wanted to do something a little quick and small and just show y'all how I make, beats on the iPad, or making beats on the iPad too as well. You don't have to limit yourself to a PC. Sometimes I even make beats on the iPhone. It's whatever, whatever I can get my hands on, I'm just gonna make it. So, once you get to that point that you can make beats anywhere, you can make beats anywhere. All right, fam. So that's it. Hope y'all like this. Again, subscribe, hit that notification button. I'm going to be doing a lot more things and a lot more videos on different topics, even showing y'all how to do music for corporate audio, and jingles and stuff like that. We're going to do it all. So let's have some fun, and I'm out.